The masters of the savanna. In the dawn of time, the savanna was a place of endless struggle and hidden wonders. Under the watchful eyes of roaming giants, our ancestors lived in a delicate balance with nature. Food was a mystery, often found by chance and guarded by the spirits of the wild. Here, every creature played a part in the story of survival. High above, the king of the sky, the great eagle, observed the land with eyes that saw everything. The eagle descends, not for prey, but for a treasure of the earth, a vibrant red watermelon. To the bird, it is a source of moisture. To the humans watching from the shadows, it is a sign. As the eagle takes flight with its prize, a single fruit falls and shatters upon the parched earth. This moment of loss for the bird becomes a moment of awakening for man. They taste the sweetness, but more importantly, they discover the secret hidden within, the seeds of life. While the earth holds the promise of the future, the belly demands satisfaction today. Survival requires more than just fruit. It requires the skill of the hunter. Across the golden grass, a chase begins. It is a test of speed, agility, and patience. The hunters track the wildfowl, moving like shadows through the brush. With a burst of primal energy, the catch is secured. It is a victory of the spirit, a reminder that the wild only gives to those brave enough to take. Guided by the discovery of the fallen watermelon, the tribe turns its attention to the riverbanks. They are no longer just gatherers, they are becoming creators. With simple wooden tools and tireless hands, they prepare the soil. They plant the seeds in neat rows, a language of order in a world of chaos. They carry the river's lifeblood to the thirsty ground, watering their hopes under the heat of the afternoon sun. The transformation has begun. Days turn into weeks, and the savanna rewards their labor. What was once dry dust is now a lush sanctuary of green vines. The watermelons grow large and heavy, ripening under the sun. The tribe watches in awe as nature performs its slow, silent miracle. They have learned that through patience and work, they can shape their own destiny. The fear of hunger begins to fade, replaced by the pride of the harvest. As the sun sets, painting the sky in shades of orange and gold, the tribe gathers in the heart of their new garden. The fire crackles, and the scent of roasting meat fills the air. They feast on the bounty of the land, the fruit they planted and the prey they hunted. Around the flame, they share more than just food. They share a new beginning. Tonight, they are not just survivors. They are the first survivors. They are the first farmers of the world.